Hey guys, how's it going? Sean here from Waikato Sheds, just down in Waihi working on a project that we got behind us. As you can see, it's a pretty awesome beach house we got going on. Last time Jason was here, just the first story was done. As you can see, second story's been completed. I'm actually meeting the inspector here on site just so the boys can continue on. Hopefully he's here soon. But yeah, thought I might just take you through, show you a little bit of the project so far, and yeah, point out some things. All the cladding just here. Can't wait to see it finally get on the walls. So if you walk down here, just watch yourself on the scaffolding. Nice door. So as you can see, it's a little bit more enclosed now. What's on the outside, Mark and Jack were actually here last week installing a rigid RAB board, which can be used for multiple things. It can be used for bracing, but it can also be used as a thermal brake. So it's good to see that the boys have put it on. Keep coming through here. Something awesome about this is the client's actually future-proofing for later on. So they're putting in a lift, not straight away, it could be later down the track, but obviously they've thought about the process and maybe they want to retire here. I mean, it's a lovely spot, Waihi Beach, why wouldn't you? Come through here, nice cupboard, nice shower, big shower room there for all the kids. You know, when you get to summer like it is now, starting to heat up a bit, it does get a bit warmer. Shove the kids through the shower, keep them clean. There's going to be lots of people here over the summer holidays and stuff like that. A few bedrooms and a toilet down the back. But yeah, the framing itself is looking awesome. The boys have done a really good job. Steelhouse provide really good frames as well. They all come pre-made, really easy to put up, just like a Lego piece, but for adults, I guess. And yeah, if we come out the back here, you can just get a better view of the rigid RAB board. Imagine playing some backyard cricket out here too. 6. But yeah, if you look back at it, it is actually quite an impressive structure. The second story, I'm assuming is going to be used for mainly like the entertainment areas, living up there. We can't get up there yet, stairs haven't been put in, hopefully soon. But yeah, if you keep watching, hopefully on the next one we can get upstairs and see what the boys have done. Cheers guys.